Hey guys, so hope everyone's doing good, huh? So this is Monday sessions. We'll try to analyze the Bitcoin and yeah, the gold market, and we'll see if there is any move or like we try to analyze it, right, guys? Hope everyone's doing good, guys. So after Sunday, yesterday there was a big move on Bitcoin. So hope everyone have traced that one, all right? So the analysis was given. So if you have used in the right way, hope you have got it. Right, guys. Hey, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. This is Monday sessions. We'll try to check on Bitcoin, what's happening around, right? So, firstly, with the 4 hours time frame, okay. So, right now in the Bitcoin, still it is holding above the major resistance or major support we have. But if we happen to break below this major support, then we might like to see a big fall on the Bitcoin. That is possible, okay, guys. Okay, big fall on Bitcoin. That is possible on Bitcoin for now. All right, so let's see. So this is what we can see on Bitcoin for now. Okay, so last night it pumped all the way, tried to remove all the resistance, all the liquidation from the upper side, and it got stuck on this resistance that we have on a 4 hours time frame. Okay, so this is exactly a flying pattern over here in the Bitcoin. Ravidami, hi, how are you, brother? How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing, Ravidami? Okay, so on the recent support, this is the recent support. So I feel like again the Bitcoin needs to drop a little bit down. All right, just playing around. Okay, so last time I have already given you all the information that we are approaching 79 to 81 to $82,000. One is on the downside. So last time we went for the upper side, okay, on the Bitcoin firstly, and we tried to drop a little bit in this morning. All right. Mm. Okay, guys. So let's go back to 15 minutes time frame and try to see what's happening on the 15 minutes. All right. Hi, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Okay, welcome. So on the Bitcoin bigger time frame, we saw that the Bitcoin have reached to the resistance level and got stuck over there. All right. So still the Bitcoin's pump is not yet over, but firstly, I think it will take the liquidation from the downside, coming to downside. Okay, take the liquidation from this level, and the pumping up will give you all the big movement on the upper side. Okay, so but if it happens to fail below this one, this support, then Bitcoin like to see, you may like to see a big drop on a Bitcoin in the coming days. Okay, so this is what we can see right now. All right. So last times, so yesterday's pump was just the retest it have done on upper side. Okay, meanwhile that was a liquidation removal for the Bitcoin on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so we had a lots of liquidation from here. Okay, those who were holding a short from this level, those people were all removed by the Bitcoin last time. All right, it gave a hope for the upper side, it gave breakout on upper side and dump all the way towards the downside. Okay, so it gave a breakout. So this is just a retest if you are considering this one as a breakout. All right, so on 15 minutes time frame, last time the Bitcoin had broken down and the retest was not done, right? And the retest was done yesterday. All right, it completed the retest and fall back all the way towards the downside. Okay, so most probably coming to this level, we might like to see again pump. Okay, so most probably I'll be expecting Bitcoin to reach around 80 to 81,000 or $82,000 according to hi, hello brother, how are you? Welcome guys, welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon. Okay, so this is what we can see. Okay, this is just my view right now. We'll go inside technically and try to see what's happening with the Bitcoin. All right, guys. Okay, so firstly a bit drop, taking the liquidation from downside. Those who are holding along from this level, let's remove that one. Bitcoin might like to remove them, and we might like to pump all the way towards the upper side. Okay, so if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you won't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session, doing the live streaming all on Bitcoin, gold, all those things, right, guys? Okay, so where are you, sir? Where are you in Assam? Ravidami, I was previously. I went to Assam. Gold will check it out. Okay, little bit later. I went to Assam long time back. How do you know me? I was there. I was there. Okay. So most probably, if the Bitcoin happens to give little bit pump on upper side, I might like to I might like to get one setup from here after breaking down below this trend, okay, on a downside. Okay, so most probably I'll be holding my short position will be till this level. All right, firstly maybe around $77,000 to $76,000. All right, so let's see anyways. Okay, so nothing much to worry. All right. Huh? Again, is it trying to make a sideways move, guys? Not yet. Not yet. We can't. Bitcoin can't make sideways move over here. Okay, so let's let the price make one resistance, the retest level in this level. Then I might like to see one position for the shorts in this level. All right. So most probably in this level. Okay. If you happen to go depth, then I might like to go one short from the wherever it get past through the retest. Okay, so I'll be tracing this one on a smaller time frame. Okay, on a smaller time frame I will be tracing this one. For now I won't be looking at a long position because we had a high selling volume from the upper side. So let's check on the bigger time frame how big is the candle of this fall, so we will determine whether, yeah, it is something like the bear move is starting it for a week, maybe for the swing traders. Okay, it is a bear move. Now you can see that the bear price, the bear candle is bigger than the bull candles. Now bears, the high sellers are entering into it. The bears are entering in the market. Okay, so this is what we can identify with the candles only. All right, so this is what I feel for now. All right, why this much? Okay, this is what I feel. Bears have started getting in. So this is the big red candles for you all. All right. So most probably Bitcoin would like to play in this trend for a while. This is on 15 minutes time frame right now. We'll check it out on the smaller time frame as well. Okay. So in this bigger time frame, so whenever it happens to break below this trend, I would love to go for one shot again. All right. So maybe from this level, wherever it gives me the structure. For the structure, I'll go for the smaller time frame and check it out. All right, is it giving us the structure or not? Okay, so I'll just take on that. High selling pressures we can experience on the Bitcoin right now. Sellers are very aggressive. Okay, so this is just a retest it's trying to do in this level. Okay, for now, small retest. This is on 5 minutes, guys. All right, the market try to firstly drop down and go up. Right, one, from this level you might like to see again a small pump. All right, from most probably from this level. If you are scalpers, this is for the scalpers, guys. Okay, so it might like to give a small pump from here. So maybe that can be till the zone, right? and decide for the short breakout towards the downside. Okay, so that can be one position, guys. Okay, one position can be activated from here if we get an setup. Let's go back on 1 minute time frame and check it out whether we are getting the setups or not. Okay, 1 minute time frame, it is breaking down aggressively again. So by then, when we happens to plan along, we should be breaking out from this green level, and we should be breaking out from the recent support resistance it tries to make. Okay, we'll trace these levels right now. Okay, let's try to have some scalping sessions today. All right, so nothing financial advice, guys. Okay, just try to make your own research and try to move in or out. All right, let's see. Okay. So firstly, even if you don't get the target till this level, 0.3%, maybe you would like to trace it, okay, for the scalpings. Small. Right now, our long position will be smaller and smaller. The target will be smaller because now price have started getting towards the downside, the bearish move. All right. Hey, Doji Linus, I already in long. All right. Okay. Just wait. All right. We'll wait for a few minutes more and we'll try to execute it. All right. There's nothing financial advice. Those who are taking it, just make your own research. Okay, this is only for the education purpose. Don't take it as a financial advice. Okay. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait for the price. If it happens to push up from here also, then might like to get till over here. All right. Just call. Yep. So let's go back and check it on gold as well. Meanwhile, all right. What's happening with the gold? Last time we didn't check on the gold. All right. Let's check on gold. What's happening, guys? Guys. Gold traders. Let's try to check on the not perpetual. Gold USD. Not a perpetual contract. Let's try to Saxo. Gold, guys, gold lovers. Let's try to check it on gold lovers. Gold lovers, most probably gold would like to pump a little bit more now. All right, according to the structure it is forming, I will be aggressively looking for the long position for the golds. All right. But before we move up, gold, if it can give the big liquidation towards the downside, it will be better. Okay, it will be better so that it can move upper side more. All right, one, okay, two. So we wait for this position, okay, in this levels right now. Wait for the price to break above. Actually, it have broken up already, okay. If you see the resistance, okay, horizontal resistance, it have already broken out. It came from the retest. People started buying in this zone, okay. So, but most probably I would love to see the first liquidation, then moving up will be a beautiful one. So swap it, then moving up will be a beautiful long. Okay, it can push all the way towards at least, okay, there's not financial advice though, guys. Okay, at least you will see the price around $4,850. All right, if it happens to swap the liquidation from the downside, okay, you might like to see the price on the upper side. But the gold also over here as well. All right, if it happens to break, now it have already entered to the bullish zone. Okay, so if you want to take the risky one, okay, so you're ignoring the liquidations and you're planning it. Why my mouse is so getting stuck? My goal position, if I happen to break above this level, then only I will plan, because this is usually a fake out moves. It will just give a small breakout and plan to move till this level and just give a big dump. All right, so most probably one short position you might like to see from this level if it happens to get a rejection from this level. All right, if you happen to get a rejection from this level, you might like to see a big liquidation towards the downside on the gold. All right, but if it happens to break above this level, the long one will be activated. Okay, the bulls will enter, because till this level it will be fake out only. Getting clear out of this level will be good long for the gold. That gold might like to go for all the way towards 4,835. The structure says that, not me. Okay guys, hi property vapor. Dude, what you think? I have only 30 capital. I'm scalping. All right, what broker you use? I use Binance. Okay, if you are interested for Binance, I have a link in a description box. All right, you can trade over there. All right, for the scalping I use the Binance. Okay, because it have features like booking the small profits as well, partial profit, so it's easier for me to. It's not a promotion. Okay guys, it's not a promotion. I'm not promoting anyone's exchange. All right, I'm not interested in those things. All right, just I'm sharing what I'm using it. All right, so you see whether the gold is able to break above this level or not. If it happens to get rejection, you might like to see gold towards the downside firstly. Then planning a long from this level will be a beautiful one for the gold. Okay, after taking liquidation, if it happens to go up, all right, you will see a major pump over here, which is 4% of pump, just like a Bitcoin yesterday. All right, okay, so this might like to see on the upper side. Let's see if it happens to break out from this level or not. Most probably this will be a short from this level. Usually this place gets faked out a lot. All right, and it jumps all the way towards the sound this side. Okay, so this is what I feel for now. So if you happen to check the trend as well, you are at the right trend. Okay, so if you are following the trend, okay, let me explain you something over here. Why my mouse is getting stuck so much? It's too, yeah. All right, so most probably what you do is in this level you wait for the price to go up. All right, so it have already broken down, right? The price have already broken down, go up, retest it, and break down below this level. Then you might like to see a good shot on the downside. Okay, so you have to observe the structure over here. All right, then only you can plan it. If it happens to break out after getting rejection from here, come over here and push up. If the gold happens to push up from here, then and break out on upper side, okay, most probably above this dash line, it might like to go up all the way. But what I feel is this place will be faked out and dump all the way towards this side and pump up. This is the gold's view right now. Okay, so you have to focus on the structure in this level for the golds right now. Okay, so how the structure is getting formed, you just observe over here. So it might like to go over here, get a rejection, okay, and get a rejection again, boom, down, something like this. All right, so you need to observe this structure so that you get the position over here. So nothing financial advice. Okay, so if I have to plan my shots, I will be planning over here. Okay, if I have to plan my longs, all right, longs will be a little bit from the upper side. Okay, from the upper side, most probably I'll try to play along from the upper side confidence zone. All right, above this level only after the breakouts. All right, because we have an ample of profits over here, it is always better for you to get a correct breakout. So in this zone, it can fake you out with a small breakout. It can fake you out and dump you all the down. So I just wait for the price. If it happens to go above this level, well and good. But if it happens to get rejection from below this one, then it will dump all the way towards the downside, the gold. Okay, this is the view on the gold. You are right. I think you have a long experience in trading like me. Property vapor. Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you, property vapor. All right. Okay, this is what we can see in the gold. All right, so over here, don't do anything. If the market happens to push up, you just plan to go for long. If it happens to get rejection, after the rejection only, if it happens to come down, then might like to go for the shots. All right, that's a go or short small view on 15 minutes time frame on a gold. All right, so you go back to the 5 minutes and check it out. All right, it's a similar thing you'll see in this 5 minutes as well. All right, so over here also BT might like to get a big dump over here. All right, so if you are taking the scalpings, but I'm not taking small scalpings. Okay, so if it happens to go down, then it might like to play around again, go up and retest this level. Sometimes it happens to dump all the way from here. Also, you have to check you are getting the structure over here for the longs or not. All right, so that is very important, guys. You cannot blindly buy when the price reach over here. You have to check it out whether it is reversing it or not in a small time frame. If it is reversing it, giving a breakout or price actions, then we can plan for the longs, right? So this is the thing that we have to check it blindly. You cannot buy or sell. So whenever you reach to the support and people start buying it without any analyzing anything, if you combine, if you're following the resistance and support strategy only, if you combine small price action over there, it will be a beautiful one, right? Let it fall down to this level. Now if we find the opportunity, then the BTC long will be get activated from this level, and we'll plan having a stop loss in the zone. Simple. All right, let's see guys what happens right now. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday session. Okay guys, all the way we plan together from Monday to Friday, just Bitcoin and gold, Ethereum sometimes. All right, Saturday and Sunday I try to help you all out with the Ethereum as well. All right, because like the gold market will be closed, right? So we usually try to plan on Ethereum as well on the weekends. Hey Frankie Pat, shift to trader. Hey, shift to trader. I'm good. How are you, brother? How are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I just came from the some work, some offshore work, and I just came back to home and I just opened my screen just to see what's happening with the Bitcoin and all those things. Okay, so yesterday, if in a VIP group, we were tracing all the long from this level, and we traced till this $78,600, guys. Okay, till this level, and we closed our position. Okay, in my VIP group, okay, almost 1.2% were traced, but we have planned one shot from over here, but it went all the way upper side, and when I was sleeping it this morning, just dumped all the way downside. Okay, so we missed this move. Actually I want to trace this one. This was already identified. All right. Okay, so for now Bitcoin dump little bit. All right, then might like to see a small pump from here for the retest in the zone, and it may play around, so maybe form the sideways also, may play around, and small drop is left still in the downside. Okay guys, the drop is not yet over. All right, the drop is not yet over. So we have seen some bullish flag in this level yesterday, so it gave all the pump on the upper side. Okay, the bullish flag that we have is not completed yet. Okay, so this was the bullish flag, right? This was the bullish flag that we had, if you see clearly guys. All right, this was the bullish flag, but it was not completed. So later on my price might like to come down and try to complete this structure in the bullish flag, and might like to say again pump over here. So maybe that can be from here to this level. All right, so still the dump is left. Okay guys, the dump is left, but most probably we would like to see a small retest in the zone on 15 minutes time frame firstly, then only we can plan for the shorts. All right, so price is dropping more again, but it will play around, maybe to reach till this upper level as well. Okay, so it will be a retest right now. Okay guys, just let's wait and see what's happening, what will happen. All right, So again, this area, most of the time the Bitcoin get faked and it will dump all the way towards downside. Okay, this area I can usually in a weekdays I can say that, but I never plan for the trades, but I can say that blindly it will drop down till this levels, right? So that can be expected. All right, this I'm not 100% sure, but just I'm explaining with my experience. All right, let's see. Let me write. I will start following your setup more consistently. I like your style. Thank you, Frank Pat. All right, thank you. Modakar, how are you, brother? I'm good. I'm good. You helped me make money last month. I appreciate it. Thank you, Frankie Pat. All right. You're welcome. You're welcome. Those who are interested to learn, you're most welcome, guys. I can help you in any ways. All right. But if you are not interested just to learn, then I don't know. Okay. I've started with my VIP groups also, mentorship programs also. Okay. Those who are interested for long term, if they can identify the diamond for them, the pearl from them for them, then they're interested. Okay, so just try to find some pearl or the diamond, the good mentors for yourself if you're planning to go for the long journey in the trading field. Okay, don't get mixed up, but keep learning. What I mean to say is keep investing yourself. All right, keep learning it. All right, guys, keep learning, keep investing. Frankie Pat. All right. When I'm helping you all out, guys, so just keep walking, guys. Keep walking with me, so you'll learn a lot. Even if you take an example of a baby and a mother, right? So baby, when he or she is crawling in a small, or when they are babies, right? When they start crawling, they cannot walk themselves very correctly, right? But when the moms help them just with the one hand, right? They just catch one hand and they can walk, right? Then they keep walking. One day they can walk on themselves, right? So this is what I mean, guys. All right. So when there is someone who is giving you the hand, just keep walking with him. All right. So one day you can walk alone. All right. So this is just example. Those who have not got me, those who didn't understand me, when there is a baby and a mom, right? The mother, right? When there is a baby and the mother, so baby alone, when the baby is crawling, right? Just in the stage of just walking a little bit, right? The baby alone cannot walk, right? Something similar with the trading, right? So when you are not able to walk, when I'm giving a hand, you can walk it, right? So for the babies also, when the hand is given, the when mom give the hands, they practice walking. Next time they walk with the mom and they start walking themselves. Okay, same with the trading. I'm giving my hand, come on, let's walk together, and one day you'll walk alone. All right. Okay, this is what I mean to say, guys. All right, firstly drop till this level and pump till this level. Okay, all those things will happen. Okay, just wait for the levels to be cleared, guys. Okay, over here shots will come from a little bit upper side. Firstly, let's fake out on the upper side, then market will dump in this level for the gold as well. All right, Simple. Okay. Excuse me. Hi, hi. Hi, hi, NN2B. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. All right. So I do the live streaming and just, yeah. All right. Okay. So invest on yourself. Do yourself. Okay. When you are having a tough time, no one will help you. All right, guys. Just do it yourself. Okay. Whatever you do, just do it. All right. This is what I mean to say. Let's see what happens. We'll try to take a small scalping. I do. All right. And then 2B. Okay. Try to invest on yourself. Let's see. Boom, down. BD fall down a bit. Gold fall down from here. Firstly down, take the liquidation, then going up will be beautiful long for the golds. All right. So you might like to see a gold pumping from this level after taking liquidation. It might pump from here as well, but long position will get activated once it clears all the big resistance it had. All right. All right. Simple, guys. Let it make one trend, BT. Okay. BT is not having any trend from the up. Solid line towards the downside this morning, guys. Right. BT will dump more. Okay. But after the retest, gold, gold over here. Firstly, it needs to pump a little bit, retest this level, and dump all the way towards downside. Okay. If it happens to break above this level, the gold, okay, it might like to go from upper side as well. But if it gets rejection and dumps down, you might like to get one short setup from here on gold. All right. You got it on gold? Gold firstly pump a little bit and coming down will be a beautiful shot. All right. Because directly breaking down from here, it might like to go for to retest this level once more. That time your SL will be gone and you'll have to cry, guys. Okay. Let's see if you get any setup from this level. Hi, guys. Welcome to the Monday sessions. All right, let's see if we can make any dollars today. All right. Any laptop असं आता हो? Let's see. Okay, just wait. Have patience, guys. You need to have patience. Patience is all the thing that you require, guys. Okay, you need to have lots of patience, guys. All right. Let's wait for this one. Gold, wait for price to move up firstly. Let's wait, guys. Okay, have patience. I know the price will come down, but I'm not shorting it. All right, because it's so too small. Okay, right now it's too small right now. Let's wait. Gold, wait for the retest from the top side, then only you can plan short. All right. No, dude, BTC upcoming destination 83 to 85K. Yes, it is. No doubt. Yeah, it is coming. But firstly, need to take the liquidation from the downside. Okay. We need to take some liquidation from the downside, then only it will pan for the long side. All right. There's no doubt. Hmm. Very confident, huh? Shift trader, very confident. Okay. All right. All right. All right. I'll also try to place one position if I get from this levels. All right, let me get ready. Okay, guys. Yeah, it is taking yesterday's one, Saturday and Sunday. This will be corrected only on the Wednesday. All right, one from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, you'll see Wednesday, Thursday, Friday going down. Mid Tuesday, Monday to Tuesday, it will be on the retest phase only. Wednesday and Thursday, you'll see the big drop. And this next week only, you might like to see the price going up. Okay. So this is according to me, nothing financial advisor, guys. All right. This is according to me. All right. This is what I feel. Sorry, but you. तुमसे मिलना बात करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है तुमसे अभी आ रहा है क्या? Okay, just wait. All right, we'll execute one trade. All right. My target one, my target one will be this one. My target two will be this one. My target three and my target four. All right, nothing vanish advice. All right, make your own research before you move in. All right. तुमसे मिलना बात करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Hello, hello, Shivan. I'm here. I'll be back. I was over here. Okay, I was over here. Shivan. बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Gold, I need to wait for the price to move up first. Then only I can plant my shots. If it wants to go directly, it is up to the gold, alright. But my confident trade will come only after going back, okay, breaking down below this one, going back, retesting this level or this level, and coming breaking down will give you all the beautiful shots on the downside. Alright. So this is Tuesday, only Wednesday. Might like to see the price again dropping down. Monday and Tuesday it will play around for the sideways. Okay, Monday and Tuesday the price will play around for the sideways. Let's see if it is breaking out. Nice pump. All level missed. It. My network में था. हम चीज़. Gold go up and getting down will get you a beautiful shot. I didn't hit my entry right now. Did we make mistake? Oh, made a mistake. Come on, guys. Trend. We have. It should be okay. Okay, just wait. Wait for the price to come down first. तुमसे मिलना बात करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Factors. Taking few days off trading is so healthy mentally. Off trading is so. Is it Shivan? All right. All right, Shivan. Shivan, all right, all right. Have patience, guys. क्या है वो क्या मगर बड़ा अच्छा लगता है बड़ा अच्छा लगता है Just wait for the perfect entry. Hello, do you speak Spanish? No, I can't speak Spanish. Maybe I need to have one converter over here. Yeah, Leos George. I can't speak Spanish. Come on. That will be small setup, 0.6 percentage only. All right. It happens to provide us. बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Hello, do you speak Spanish? No, 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 not yet. Maybe I'll learn one day, Leos. I'll learn one day the Spanish so that everyone can understand my Spanish as well, right? Just wait. Patience, guys. Patience, 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 patience. If it would have come directly towards down, break below this one and pass through, I would have opened directly from here. Okay. If it happens to go directly up there, then I need to wait for price to come down and then only I can execute. All right. I need to wait. Waiting is everything it requires, guys. All right. Only speak Spanish. All right. Okay. One day I'll speak it. Okay. Right now I don't know Spanish, so I can't speak. All right. Let's wait, guys. Have patience. New York session will be interesting. Yeah, Shivan. New York session will be interesting. Come on. Yes. Might be a big jump from here, right, all the way towards downside. That is also very possible, right? But till Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe you'll see a big jump. Tuesday, tomorrow, today, after now, tomorrow, and today, you might like to see some sideways move. All right. This is just view, nothing financial advice, okay? Go look at 1 hour Ethereum chart. It just minimum 3 drop after massive rejection from the top. This trade I failed it over here with a small stop loss. Otherwise, I would have cashed. Yesterday night I was sleeping. I couldn't cash this one now because of early entry over here. 3% was. 1 hour. Might like to go to this average and fall back again. Ethereum. Lots of liquidation in this level. People have planned loss of long from here. Long. 4 hours time frame. We need to remove the liquidation from this level till Friday. Till Friday, you will see the price around $2,337 on Ethereum. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you might like to see a big drop. Okay. Bitcoin, wait for the price to come down. Yesterday night was a crazy massive stop. Hans, majority of people were wrong, but BTC took them to get stopped before moving up. Oh, yeah. Because that was on sideways move, it was trying to clear out from the sideways move. First, they breaking out, and it came down for a retest, and people were gone with that retest. I know. Oh, yeah, I was holding all the way. I was holding all the way over there. I knew because like the price had to now price was planning for the big liquidations. All right. Now I think it's a plan time to go for a long for me. Just few more drops. One, two, three. Tuk, 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 tuk. Tuk, 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 tuk. Boom. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Wow. What a French cut. That's French cut. Okay. That is French cut. Oh, wait, we need to wait. Wait, wait. Wait, wait. Wait, 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 wait. Wait. Let's see if it forms W or not. Just need to wait. It will quickly give a small liquidation on the downside. Firstly. Thanks. Quick liquidation towards the downside. A little bit downside. Let it not form. Boom, boom. Gold have to wait for the price to move on upper side, then only can plan. Need to wait a bit more. It's W pattern. Trying to create W pattern over here. That means it will take liquidation first. It creates W pattern. It will take the liquidation first. Liquidation levels. One level over here. Okay, not creating W pattern. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, now, now. 1487. Hope not. It won't create W pattern. If it creates W pattern, it will give a big liquidation firstly. I shouldn't want a W pattern. Gold, I'm not doing short right now. Gold, no shots. I'm leaving it. Better you wait for the gold to open long from these levels. If you're waiting for a big targets, gold, you might like to see a big targets and upper side from these levels. Most probably from these levels after taking out the liquidation from these levels, right? This level, this level, or you just open short after it gets rejection from the top, right? That would be better. Not a financial advice though, guys. Okay, just manage your own risks. All right. Monkey moments. My target was 78,000. After TP1, it hit my SL at entry. Then 6 hours later, 97,000. Oh, okay, Shivan. All right. Oh, 78,800. 78,000. 77,770 hours waiting for the SL. I was there. I was there over there. Hope not, it won't create any W patterns over here. I don't like this kind of W patterns. This is 1 minute scalping, guys. Okay. 1 minute is a little bit noisy, right? A little bit noisy. The rest of the this level I don't like at all. Let's see, guys. Okay. Let's see what happens. Quick liquidation might grab from the downside. And need to be low, need to be. Trust the process. No position for the shots right now. Hi, Blue Force. Blue Force. Hello, hello, hello. Can you please teach how to take a good entry? Blue Force. Good entry. What to say now? Which strategy you're following? For me, breakout, right? So I take after the retest or like I trace for the exact entry. So there is two kind of entry. One is confident entry, one is risky entry. Okay. So there are lots of things to be considered while you are entering. If you have setups, then which entry you are following the support resistance or trend analysis or breakout strategy or SMC or ICT, which Fibonacci, right? Lots of setups, right? So accordingly, we should plan your entries, right, guys? Arjit Singh, yeah, nice. Yeah, I have a VIP group also, those who are interested, okay? VIP group that comes with the video explanations, all right? The trade with the video explanations, all right? That will help you out whenever I'm not able to come to the live. P1 done. I move my SL to entry and let it go now. All right. And afterwards, if it comes down, I'll buy from the downside. Let it go. Headache. 0.22 percentage done. I move my SL to entry and let it go. That is 77,680. 77,680. Stop loss. Yep. और भाई क्या हाल चाल बड़ा दिनों बाद जिंदा चौदल सब कुछ ठीक ही चल रहा है अभी ठीक ही चल रहा है ब्रदर आपका क्या हाल है आपका भी ठीक ही होगा कैसा चल रहा है भाईजान This is scalping, okay? 1 minute time frame scalpings. Scalping should be quick one. Quick entries, quick exits, all right. I use support and resistance when price and support or resistance if my bias is down so that in this spaces I try to sell but my entry points is very wrong all the time. I want to know what criteria you need. You need to learn a little bit in deeper way. Okay, a little bit in a deeper way. आपको हिंदी आती है तो मैं इंग्लिश में क्यों देख रहा हूँ सही तो सही बात है आपका भी सही बात है ब्लू फोर्स So blue force, you might like to go for the VIP sessions. Otherwise, you try to learn everything because like I have to check it your support and resistance. Whenever you're trying to plan your buy or buy from the support and resistance, as I have said, like you have to check in few consideration. Right now we are on this levels. This is confusing people whether it is forming a W or not. All right. So if it is there is a liquidation candles over here. If this was forming a W, there will have big liquidations coming in. Okay, big liquidation. So I book my profit one over here and move my SL to entry immediately. All right, so that even if there is a liquidations all the way towards this side, okay, then I again buy from this level and move on the upper side. You see, okay, if it forms a W pattern. All right, because of this level right now, in this level, it have confused the people whether it is W pattern. If it's not a W pattern, if it is respected in this way, you might like to see a big bump, all right, all the way towards the target. All right, but if it, so something like that, when you are coming to the support, there need to be, the support alone cannot make your decisions, all right, to buy. You need to have some price actions, maybe, right? Breakout, right? Breakout or some other price actions to check it out whether you can buy on this place or not. So all the supports are not a buy zone. All the resistance are not the buy zone. Some of the resistance are for liquidation. Some of the supports are for liquidations. You got it what I mean? All right. Some of the supports are for liquidation. Some of the resistance are for liquidations, guys. बस भाई आपको देखते देख के दिल खिल खिल जाता है बाहर आ जाते हैं खिल खिल दिल खिल खिल जाता है बाहर आ जाता है हेलो एंटरटेनमेंट जिंदगी चौदह ऑलराइट क्या करूं ऐसे ही हूँ भगवान ने ऐसे ही दे दिया क्या करूं भाईजान भगवान ने ऐसा बनाया मेरे को ड्रैगन को entertainment style. Hello guys, hello, hi. Okay, so for the gold, I didn't take the shots from here. Most probably, if it happens to get rejection from the top, I would love to take the one short position for the liquidation on downside. I will come the market on downside. So for liquidation, it will love to play around a much. So confuse the people, then only market will plan for liquidations. All right. So let's see if it happens to break out from the screen block. You might like to see a good bull moves on the gold, but if it happened to get rejection from this level, you might like to firstly see a good liquidation downside, and you might like to pump, okay, when you get the setups on the upper side. That will give you almost 4% alone on the gold. All right. So I'm waiting for this position only. I won't be taking this one, but I will be waiting for this position to come down, and if it happens to give you a good liquidation, it will give you a big pump. If it is directly pumping from here, you might like to see the price towards the halfway only, or like maybe maximum to this level. All right. But if you happen to get the liquidation, you might like to see the gold pumping all the way upper side as well. All right. Okay. मैं जब एंट्री लेता हूँ लिक्विडिटी स्वैप होता है उसको बाद में मुफ्त देता है हाँ लिक्विडिटी स्वैप हमको समझ आ गया कहाँ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है आपको लिक्विडिटी स्वैप में लिक्विडिटी स्वैप समझ आ गया भाईजान lovely guys super blue force आपका प्रॉब्लम मालूम आ गया हमको एक कहाँ पे आपका लिक्विडिटी स्वैप हो रहा है वो पोजीशन लॉकेट कर दो ठीक है आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा कहाँ पे लिक्विडिटी स्वैप हो रहा है जब आप प्लान करते हो उसका मार्क करने के लिए ट्रेंड मार्क करने के लिए और वो लोकेशन पता लगाओ पहला कभी कभी तो अच्छा ही चलता है ना ब्लू फोर्स कभी कभी तो आपका सेटअप ठीक ही चलता है सपोर्ट में बाई करने में पर कहाँ स्वाइप हो रहा है वो उसको पता लगाओ वो आपका ठीक हो जाएगा ठीक है over here also you might like to receive liquidation sweep okay but we have a stop loss at the entry now no problem okay after booking profits तो मार्केट आपको उल्लू बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है तो आप थोड़ा चालाक होना पड़ेगा ठीक है तो ही आप टिक पाओगे नहीं तो मार्केट आपको कुछ दे के चला जाएगा ठीक है मत कर भाई लोग भाई तू मस्त आदमी है लॉन्ग कर दिया ना, अभी कहाँ करेगा इधर से। हम तो नीचे से कर दिया, बुक TP1 बुक कर लिया, SL एंट्री में लगा दिया, कुछ भी हो जाए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो दर दर के बेट बेट लिया तो कब ट्रेडिंग करेगा यार। If we keep having a fear, then when we will trade, guys. One situation will fear you. Okay. So if you get a trauma from there, thinking that every time you'll get bashed off, you usually get bashed off on the weekends. And if you think that you cannot trade now, then you are wrong. All right. So if you are not taking risks, when you will buy, when you will sell, everything is risks. Over here also risky for me, but I have to take the risks. Right. Sometimes we have to take risks as well. All right. Hi Modakar, Ethereum. इथेरियम में देखना है, इथेरियम भी सिमिलर ही है। इथेरियम भी थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा ट्यूसडे तक। ट्यूसडे तक साइडवेज में रिटेस्ट में खेलेगा ये। वेंसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे में आप लोग को थोड़ा नीचे जाने का मौका मिलेगा, ठीक है, शॉर्ट पोजीशन में। देखेगा कितना बार क्या करेगा, ठीक है। 100% कंफर्म नहीं है, इट्स नॉट 100% कंफर्म, ओके। सो दिस आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग माय व्यूज, ऑलराइट। It's not financial advice, guys. कहाँ से हो ब्रो? ओ हम भूटान से, भूटान, भूटान से हूँ। Bitcoin mining country, Bhutan. I'm from Bhutan, brothers. Liquidity swap. लिक्विडिटी आएगा तो यहाँ तक आएगा यार। तो अभी हमको एंट्री में रखना है, मैं एंट्री में। लिक्विडिटी नहीं लिया तो ये ऊपर ही जाएगा। लिक्विडिटी लिया लिया तो it's not about only getting inside the trade, okay guys. You should have a door to get out of the trade. That is one way of trading. All right. It's not only about the setups. You have the setups, but if market traps you, you need to have a door to get out of that setups. That's all. All right. So if market is trying to trap you, you need to get out of trade without making a losses. That is much good player. All right. Like a Cristiano Ronaldo in the football. All right. So you need to have door to get out of the trade. Okay. If the market traps you. Bhutan, I know 2020 I was there for visiting. All right, Modakar. How was it? Bhutan, land of thunder dragon. Yeah. शिवान, तुम किस हिसाब से प्राइस एक्शन देखते हो एंट्री के लिए? ब्रेकआउट, ब्रेकआउट ब्रेकआउट लेता हूँ मैं। ब्रेकआउट after that one retest. Okay, going back to the smaller time frame. Okay, पान का रहे हो या पान खा रहे हो या जुबान के सारी? पान खा रहा हूँ यार, जिंदा चौदिल पान। हम इंडिया में गया था, once I was in India and I was searching for the pan more because it's like a cold weather over here. To keep me warm, I just have this one, so it makes me nah messy better. All right, Shivan. Okay, all right, messy. Okay, Shivan. Hey, designer hub, how are you? ऊपर जा रहा है, hey bro. हाँ जा रहा है अभी. Dragon has a unique skill to figure out the exact bottom for entry. Rest of us, we wait for a structure breakout. He knows the bottom of the breakout. Okay. Shivan knows because he's taking my mentorship. Right now, Now even if you get out, even if market comes for the liquidation, it doesn't matter, because like you have already booked your profit. Now TP over here, right? If it comes for liquidation, well and good, right? Well and good, you'll get the entry from the lower level. All right, let's see if it gets liquidations. If it gives liquidation, you will see a very big pump, very quick one. All right, that might give you around 1%. All right, not financial advice though. All right, let's see. This W pattern is usually meant for the liquidations. All right, but we take risks from here because we have a door to exit it. If it comes for liquidation, we just get out of there, the entry, right? So we make no losses, right? Okay, so entering over here will be risky. Okay, over here, breakout trader, if you're a breakout trader, this is a W pattern, right? And you see it, there is a breakout, and people, if people happens to buy over here, and if it gives the liquidity swap, their SL will be in the zone and they will be swapped all the way, right? But if you can exactly locate this position, okay, from here, you already have a door to exit it if it gives a swap towards downside. Your SL over here, booked one profit. So a little bit smarter you have to work it, even if the market is trapping you. Okay, guys, even the market traps you, just work it smarter. Sometimes we also feel that we we neglect the W pattern and we try to check over here, okay, and later on the market comes for the liquidation, everyone will swap and go all the way down, right? So those things happens. Let's see what it does. Liquidity swap or boom on the upper side. All right, if it gives a liquidity swap, most probably I'll be planning from the downside. Okay, okay, coming for the liquidity swap. Careful, guys. Now we need to exit from the entry. All right, and the liquidity swap will continue till this level or even more down. All right, let's see what it does. Liquidity swap or not. Oh, this W pattern usually swaps the liquidity before it moves up. Okay, and my if it swaps the liquidity, my entry will be from down. Otherwise, I'll continue to hold from the top only. Okay, simple. Let's see if it continues or not. If liquidity swaps, then we need to enter from the down. Let's see if it does. Gold can short after getting rejection from top only. All right. Your face structure is the same as mine. Is it Modakar? Good brother, how are you? Design how I'm good. आप चार्ट एनालिसिस कैसे करते हो? हम ट्रेंड देखता हूँ, उसमें few patterns देखता हूँ. I just check the trends, I check few patterns, I check the breakouts, and I just plan my setups. All right, that's all. Coming for the liquidity swap or not, Bitcoin. If it doesn't give the liquidity swap, well and good. If it gives liquidity swap, get ready. Just get ready in the market anywhere it moves. All right. You should be ready for any moves. Okay. Expected liquidity swap. Come on. Come on. Come on, BD. Come on. We're ready to face. You should be ready. You should have energy to face the market. All right, guys. That energy to push the market. All right. You need to have energy, your strategy, your entry and exit. All right. And you will win it for sure. 100%. Boom. जोशी होना चाहिए यार कुछ करने के लिए. I need this song right here. Yeah, you can Modakar. Okay, liquidity swap. Come on. Coming in. Liquidity coming in. Again, trying to plan one sideways move. All right, lovely. Playing around a bit, trying to create sideways. Boom. Boom. Where is it? Boom. Come on. Small profit only for now. I'm expecting liquidity swap in this level. Let's see it gives or not. Structurally, the setup is good for the long. Okay. Only the thing is, structurally, you're good at this. If you are planning for the long, you are already correct. The only thing is, if it gives the liquidity swap, that's only the thing. All right. You just created a triple bottom and just pushed up. That's also bullish. Nacho re nacho. I knew this song. Okay. Nacho re bhaijan nacho. Nacho re bhaijan nacho. Mm. Just created one sideways move. क्या हाल है भाईजान? How are you guys doing, guys? Gold did a small retest on this level and just trying to push downwards. All right. Just if it happens to get rejection from the top, that will be a beautiful shot for the golds. Most probably planning along from this level will be a good one for the golds. All right. What is the liquidity swap? Can you give it? Oh, I'm getting headache. If you have long, you need to have your SL at this level on guys. If it happens to come for the liquidity swap, you need to have SL over here now. Your SL should be over here. Okay. So this is exit for you all if the trade fails and plan the long setup from the downside. Okay. This is the exit for you all. 77,609. Let's go, baby. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. मेरा मन क्यों झुक जाए. This shot from here is very risky, guys. If you have planned from the top, well and good. All right, from the top is good. All right, because you have already in a profit zone, you can keep your SL at entry and hold for the shots, right? But if you have planned your shot over here, if the market happens to go for a big retest on the upper side, you will be bashed off. All right, just be careful. I never plans on the situations. All right. Zaibullah, I'm good. I'm good, Zaibullah. Zaibullah, कैसे हो? How are you, Zaibullah? I'm good, I'm good. Orange, orange nacho, orange. Orange nacho. TP2 done, but I have one placed in this resistance zone. I should have placed in this zone. La 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 la. La 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 la. If you understand the market, guys, trading becomes very simple, guys. You understand the market structure, simple things. You understand what the market is doing. The trading becomes so simple. Then only your discipline and risk management is the one that have to be there to make you profitable. That's all. Okay. Nothing complicated. Saibullah, all right. Nothing complicated. Trading is not that complicated. Not that easy as well, but not that complicated. All right. TP2. I'll be booking my TP2 from here. Rest I hold for the top. Trading is so simple if you try to understand the market. All right. Lovely, guys. BTC. Now, risk free. A pump of 0.331 percentage. Lovely. All the risk management, fund management comes in. All right. Trading becomes so simple if you try to understand it. Try to understand the market like you understand your wife, guys. Just you understand so much to your wife. Something like that. Trading is also simple. Just assume like your wife and just understand it. Okay. Just understand it. It will give you a big profit. If you understand your wife, wife will make you good dishes, right? Okay, simple. Now, Orangi, orangi nache, orangi. Lovely guys, lovely, lovely, big profits. Okay, nothing financial advice, guys. Just make your own research, okay, and try to execute your things. All right, nothing financial advice. All right, lovely, superb, boom, 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 boom. Right, lovely. My TPs, just one more set. My final TP done. Hey, superb, guys, superb. Superb, guys, superb, 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 lovely. All right, guys, those who are interested to join my VIPs, $20. All right, text me over there, number, Telegram or WhatsApp. Just message me. I will be there. All right. Oh, lovely done. TP's done. One, two, three TP's done. Last left. Okay, guys. Lovely. Now let it drop. Come for downside, take the liquidations, and again pump. Similar way. Okay, guys. Okay. Superb, superb. So you should be in scalping. You should be very quick on booking your profits, guys. TP1, TP2, TP3 done, TP4 nearly done, and dropped all the way. All right, very quick. You should be very quick in booking your profit. You should book profit by partial or partial. All right. 4,680 to buy gold. Good job, Dragon. All right. Gold, most probably I'll be buying in this. So nothing financial advice, okay? Liquidation, sometimes liquidation extends a little bit downside, but we have to track that one liquidations. All right. If I'm not sleeping, if you are in my VIP group, I'll give it for the gold as well. All right. If I'm sleeping, then I don't know. Later on, it might if it comes all the way towards the liquidations on the downside, you might like to see a good pump on a bit gold from the downside. Okay. Most probably, I will be expecting to open from downside because stop. It will be too risky for me. So this is the thing for Bitcoin and gold Monday, beautiful profits, green zone, right, for y'all. So make good use of your resource that I'm providing it. All right. Now, if it happens to come down, I'll take one buy position from the downside, maybe. Let's see, anyways. Right. Just the retest being done. Retest for this one. Maybe this one. Orangi, orangi nacho, orangi. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. All right. So almost more than 1 hours I've spent it. Okay. So weekdays becomes very small. We'll take few scalping sessions. All right. Try to understand the structures. All right. So we'll do tomorrow. The rest I will be sending on the VIP groups for the one long or short positions on the VIP. Okay. 3 TPs done. Good one. Lovely. Okay. The rest, booking profits, everything you have to depend, you have to do it yourself. Just not a financial advisor. All right. Just make your good use of the resource that I'm providing you all. All right. If you are smart enough, you'll get a good help from my setups. Right. Just be smart enough. All right. So have a good time. Bye bye. Love you all. Signing off, Dragon.